G'day guys, Greg here. Now, you might remember recently I went to MOS Burger and tried their fish burger. Mate, it was pretty nice. Cost $7.50, but I thought it was alright. And I thought, well, there's hardly any ingredients on it. I can make that at home myself for much cheaper, I'm sure. So that's what I'm doing today. Making the MOS fish burger at home for much cheaper. Let me show you what I'm using. Now, it's only 6 ingredients. All you'll need is some crumbed or battered fish. They had cod, they reckon, but I reckon this whiting will do fine. You'll need a bread roll. You'll need some lettuce, mayo, a red onion, and some American mustard. Oh, well, yes, and from Greg's recipe, you'll also need some butter. Right, let's start making this. Right, well, I haven't bought these in a while. Probably about 15 years, I reckon. Let's see what they look like. Alright, well, I might need 2 of these for this big bread roll, so I better start cooking these. Now, the instructions on the box say put it in the oven for 18 minutes at 200. Yo, Greg, I ain't doing that. He's using the air fryer. Right, I'll do it for 200 for... It's usually about half. I might do it for 10 minutes. Okay, well, let's start preparing the other stuff. Okay, now for this, they had some sliced red onion. Hardly any, actually. There was only like a couple of pieces. There wasn't much at all. Oh, I forgot, you also need some cheese. Okay. So I've just cut the onion up. That's about all you'll need for this recipe. Hardly any. They were pretty stingy with the old onions, the old MOS burger. But I will need to cut my bun in half. I got one with sesame seeds because, I love sesame seeds on a bun. Who doesn't? Unless you're allergic to them. And then I'll excuse you. But we'll just put some butter on there. Look, they didn't put butter on theirs, and I think that's probably why I only gave it a 7.9. Because we all know that everything, bar none, tastes better with butter. And look, while that fish is still cooking, I can really just start preparing this burger. So on the bottom they had American mustard, man. It's gotta be for America. Yeah. I put a little bit more than they did, because they put like hardly any. So I'll spread that out. Oh yeah, now we're talking. See, MOS, that's how you do it. And then on the bottom also, they put lettuce. Now, I know this isn't the right lettuce that they used, but this one's even better because it's got spinach. You all know the benefits of spinach. Just ask Popeye. Right, and then on the top bun, mate, they drowned this thing in mayo. I'll semi-resemble what they did. And I'm not exaggerating either. That's what it was like pretty much. And then they had the onion on it. I'm using a little bit more than what they used. I think they used like 1 piece, cut into 10 pieces. All right, now I just got to wait for the fish to cook. All right, well that's done. Let's see the fish. Oh yes, that's looking good. Whew. Oh boy, that's hot. So I'll put the fish on. Oh. And then the cheese. Let me just push that onion in so it doesn't go anywhere. And now we just put the lid on top. And there you have it. The old GregO's version of the MOS's crispy fish burger. And instead of costing $7.50, this only cost about $2.80 and about 12 minutes of my time. Man, that looks good. Looks better than the MOS one too. Right, come at me, bro. Yummo! Mate, this burger tastes really good. And it was so easy to make too. I know what I'm going to be eating a lot more of. The old GregO's MOS fish burger. Why wouldn't you? It's so easy to make and it's less than $3 a serve. I know money's a little bit tight for a lot of people, so instead of eating out, eat in. You'll save a ton of this and you'll eat better, healthier and fresher. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll make a fish burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the